Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 610, and problem is triangle judgment, and the problem difficulty level is easy. So let's read the problem statement. Basically we have given a table that is triangle containing a column x, y and z. So in SQL, XYZ is the primary key column for this table, and each row of this table contains the length of three segments, and report for every three line segments whether they can form a triangle or not. So we have to return the result table in any order. Let's read the input. We have an input triangle table, and the columns are x, y, z, and x is 13, 10, y is 15 and 20, z is 13, 30 and 15. So output should be in the form x, y, z column as well, and with the result triangle, this xyz is forming a triangle or not. So here, like, for forming a triangle, there is a condition. If the line two line segments, sum of the two line segments should be greater than one line of a segments. So it could be anyone, like x plus y is greater than z, and y plus z is greater than x, or like x plus z is greater than y. Any of some of the two segments lines should be greater than third one, so it will form the triangle, otherwise no. So in result, you, as you can see here, like 13 plus 15, 13 plus 15 is 28, and 28 is less than 30, so it should be no. And 10 plus 20 is 30, and 30 is greater than 15, so that is why this will form the triangle. And for implementation in SQL, just we will use case, like x plus y should be greater than z, and y plus z is should be greater than x, or x plus z is greater than should be y. So this will form the triangle, otherwise no. So let's see the implementation part, how we are going to write the query for this one. So first we will select these three columns. So select x, comma y, comma z. Okay, now there is a condition for forming, checking this will form a triangle or not. So for this one, so basically we will use case. So in SQL, case statements is like case, when and then, like in other programming language, like if condition there is available in the if condition, so here we will use case. So case when, so what is the condition? Two segments, like sum of the two segments should be greater than the third one. So we can take like x plus y is greater than z, and which two conditions? Then the other two conditions, like y plus z, y plus z is greater than x, and z plus x, x plus, you can say x plus z, or z plus x should be greater than y. then then we this then we call this is triangle. So for triangle, if satisfy the condition, so we will say yes, otherwise no. So s, else no, like this. Okay, and we will use here for this, as we will alias as triangle, as triangle from this table, triangle table, triangle table. Okay, so now let's run the query. There is an error. Let's see what is the error here. XYZ case when this condition then is else no as triangle from triangle. You have an error. SQL syntax check the corresponding from the right near as triangle for triangle at line 2. I think bracket I closed or not. This okay, let's check. Triangle now let's run. Okay, so I'm mistaking here. I did not close the case condition, so it should be end like this. Now we can run. Okay, so it is accepted now, and we can check as this is matching with our output. Like output is first for first records. This should be no. There is an, this will not form the triangle, and the second record will form the triangle. So now let's submit the query, and we'll check. Okay, so all the 10 by 10 test cases passed. I hope you understand the problem. This is a mathematical problem actually, and just here like you have to understand like what condition should be form the triangle or not. So basically we have a condition here like then sum of two line segments should be greater than the third one, so it will form the triangle, otherwise no. So just we will implement it with case statement here. So yeah, I hope you understand with problem statement and with solution. uh, I'll meet in the next video with the next problem. Till that, thank you guys, and just keep learning and keep growing.